Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so I have my tools. And as promised, we're gonna see what's in this jewelry jar. Okay, as you can see, it's just a regular size jewelry jar, not too big, not too small. And this one is $34.99. So, you know I've been disappointed before. So let's go ahead and try another one. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, I'm already starting to see junk. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. A safety pin. Oh God. Okay. Okay, so we have a watch. As you can see, the leather situation going on here, and look at that green, yucky. And Timex, and has lots of scratches on top. Okay. I seriously need to stop buying jars, but you can't help it when you see one. You just go ahead and get it. Okay. It's an earring. Oh, dropped something. Okay. Okay, here's the other one. Oh, okay, it's broken. That's too bad. It was pretty. Okay, so we have a broken pair of earrings. Okay, okay, my craft jar is already getting ready. What is this one here? Okay, it's a bobbly necklace by Rachel. Okay, so nothing special, nothing wrong with it, but okay, seems to be in okay condition. Okay, we have one of those, I think, what are these, Fitbits? I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. And it's working, and it's very dirty, as you can see. Okay. Okay, we have a ring. And this does not look silver or anything, and it has a lot of wear. Can you see that? But it's a pretty ring. That's too bad. Okay. Another one for the jar. Okay, a little tiny glass bracelet. You guys might have to try out bracelets and stop fitting. Okay, guys. I knew I shouldn't have bought this jar, but let's see. I'm gonna see. Maybe there's something in here. You never know. Oh no! Okay, the stone's broken. And some earrings here. Another earring. Okay, let's put the earrings over here and see if they have pairs. Look at this. This is what they're putting in jars now. Okay, it was not like this before. Okay, so it's gonna go into crafts. Okay, why is this in here? From 08. Okay, it's all taped up and okay, go in here. Okay, I see a necklace. What are these, earphones? No. Okay, they're pearls. I don't know what it is. Okay. Okay, I see what it is now. Okay. So it's a necklace, and I guess you put these pearls in this little loop that they made. Yeah. That's ugly. I'm sorry. I have to say it. Somebody has to say it. This is really ugly. I'll throw this in crafts. Okay, we have a necklace here. Rhinestones. Okay, this is a newer made one. This is not vintage, as you can see from the clasp. This is a new one. I don't even think that they're actual rhinestones. Okay, so we have this one. Oh, uh-oh, give me a second, guys. so let's see what else is in here. Okay, we have a ring, plastic. Okay, no marks. Okay, we have a hair clip. And this one over here is broken. Not that I would use it, but it's garbage. Okay, what is this in here? Okay, it's some kind of beaded necklace here on, looks like silk. And it has a tag that says it was $38. But I don't see any makers. No, and it does look like it needs cleaning. So, okay, I'm gonna put that in crafts too. Okay, ring. It's a brass ring. I actually like this one. This is pretty. Okay. So far this is the only thing I like. Okay, we have a bracelet, toggle, Ralph Lauren. It's pretty worn out, if you can see. Yeah. And it's tiny too. Okay. We have a pendant here. Looks handmade. I like the stone in there. It's very nice. Okay, so there's two things here that I like. Okay, here's a pendant. All scratched up. Okay, feather. It's an earring. Okay, it's an earring, and the other one's not here because I don't see the other feather. We have some tangles. Oh boy, it's gonna break here. Hold on. Give me a second. Untangle this if I can. You have to be really careful with chains this thin. They will break if you pull on them. So don't pull. Okay. Right. Okay, now. There we go. Give me a second, guys. This is going to take forever. So it took me a while to untangle this. It's enameled flower, really worn pendant necklace. And this one here is sterling silver. It's in gold tone. It has multiple different color stones on here. I still need to test it, but I did see a mark on it. So far, this is the only valuable thing that came out of here. And let's see what this is. Okay. Okay. This has a barrel clasp. No marks, but this is pretty. It's not bad. How do you wear this? Not like that. Okay. Okay, like this. So this is on the side. Okay. And we have this one here. My Express. Okay, it's just a link necklace with kind of like a gunmetal color. Okay, we have a cuff link. This is really nice, but I don't see the other one, so it's just one. Okay, crafts goes. Okay, trying to see if anything here has a match, and I don't see anything. All the earrings seem to be one. Okay. Kenneth Cole here. Necklace and a lot of wear on here in the edges. Okay, so that goes in crafts too. Okay, here we have these earrings. Okay, they feel like wood. And this, I don't know if this is matching to it, but this is a keychain. And these are earrings. Okay, so I'm going to put that in crafts too. I don't know what this is. Craft. No marks on this. Little tiny umbrellas. A ring. With, no marks. The letter J. I don't think that this is silver. Let me grab the magnet. Hang on. Okay, the magnet is not grabbing it. I will test it. Okay. We have little duckies. A stretchy bracelet that's all stretched out, and it has glass beads. I really like the beads. I'm going to put this in a bead lot. Okay, earring. A necklace. Pearls. And it's by Sparkling Sage. And this is brass. Okay. Earring here. Missing the other one. I have no idea what to do with like single earrings. I always put them in the craft lots. Okay, so we have a bicycle. Okay. So nothing here, none of these. These are all single earrings. This is cute. I like the stone on this one, but it's missing the other one. So these are all going to go into crafts. Bracelet, missing stones and worn out. Okay, and we have another necklace here, and this is the last item. And this is just a chain necklace. And that's it, guys. Oh my goodness. $34.99. And the only thing that came out of here that was nice was this ring. This one here, because I like the stone. And this sterling silver necklace here. Pendant. Oh, and a hair. So all of these for $34.99. Oh my god, this was a really bad jar. Okay, it goes to show I don't know if I'm ever going to buy another jar again, but you guys know me. If I see one, I'm going to be tempted to get one. But this was definitely a bad jar. I hope you guys had fun watching. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Bye, everyone.